or more. Is it only me? Half the time I'm thinking, what the fuck am I doing in my life, guy? Look at Aqua. Nena Aqua with his Brabus and $1 million garage. Moadera Agworo Madogu. Look at Omar's Garden with her Igbo lifestyle blog and tons of offers in Ewebata, bringing in tens of thousands of dollars monthly. See offers choke. I don't know the blog. Look at boys building cribs and pulling black fucking Mercedes. I don't know at all. Look at niggas flexing and enjoying life. I don't know life like Flavor. Alusina Lokoto. Look at Iron Fugo fucking hustling and hawking his music like fucking hookah, man. Man, they selling music on Obu, on LA, like man, pulling up at every music event. On even Salaka in the pull up. Me, I haven't been on stage even once. Okay, yeah, once during youth service in Mango Camp. Yeah, but who remembers that? Then that one time that I made a fool of myself at Ibunedion Education Center, playing Anansi and his daughter Anansawa. What the fuck am I doing in my life, guy? Living in the bush, near me go for in the morning, sweeping my compound and saying he can't get to my camera like say I'm onto some magic, sounding insightful where I know fit chop with stew. If you chop insightful with stew, what the fuck am I doing in my life? I'm fucking 30. Nah, if you use Apple Music, guy, please put Eguya and or Holy Maze on repeat. Or Ufu Alaji can actually the number, right? So either or both of them, put them on repeat all night. Or Apple Music, brief and Apple need to go, guy. No, so I mean, you could help me earn $10 in a month by doing this often every night. Just remember before you crash, put Holy Maze and or Eguya on repeat on your Apple Music. Darling, appreciate. Come on.
You never cared even I die, even I cry. You leave.